Yeah, there's the jump. There's another special chair for that.
Yeah, just build crazy contraptions.
Make movies.
It's not too bad, just sometimes.
It just seems something different.
Yeah.
I just figured I'd come over and take a peek.
If you ever got any old appliances, we'll jump a tractor over them. Maybe even be on TV.
There's a freezer in there if you want it.
Scores!
Yeah, it's a great big freezer. You can
There's a
have
great
it.
big freezer in
Oh,
there.
you
if
need
you
that.
want
We need that. Yeah.
Cool.
Drag her on over.
it. In the garage.
Eh?
You come and
Oh, I apologize. I apologize.
I got mud on my forehead, buddy.
Oh, I know, buddy. I had all my hat and shit.
My eyes and my buddy.
So you're just new to Inwood?
Yes.
Yeah.
Right on.
Yeah, we've been here a week.
Right on.
Been here a week. No, I just heard you running around a little more today.
Right on.
Yeah.
Little rigs.
Yep.
Thing's a beast.
Well, you got them set up pretty good anyways, watching you go over the ramp.
From the old 710.
Yeah, this is like the most cobbled, it's just, fixed after fixed after fixed after fixed. And the other one's even worse because that's the one we jump, Like we'll jump, hit an appliance, crash big time, you know what I mean? Like it's just set up to fail, right? Like and then that makes awesome for TV, right? TV loves that kind. They buy the videos and they put them on TV.
Now, you do the one pug life? Is that
Yeah.
you? Okay.
That's me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Put a cam!
Oh, boy.
Our hat? The hat?
Say,
Yeah.
See the hat? His appliance?
So what's the pug?
we got plugs.
Oh, okay, because we have jugs.
Oh yeah, right on.
Yeah.
Like Jack Russell plugs?
Yeah.
Right on.
Yeah.
Even
Karma
wilder.
Karma looks more pug than jug.
Yeah, right
She's
on.
pure blonde with the black snout.
Right on.
And then, of course, we got Snickers.
Yeah.
And
which
in a
is
year's
more
time, we'll have Mars bars.
jug.
Okay, is the address here? We're right across from One Pub Life.
Yeah, okay. So that's what we're here to talk about. So we had an incident last week where those guys were out here on the road doing some stuff.
Yep.
And I understand you saw some or all of
Yeah,
them that were out
I've
here?
seen about 85% of it. They were, they started out at the corner by just from the corner of their building and started squealing tires there. And it was a small car. It was like bigger than a Honda set. It was like a VW Rabbit. I think is what it was, that configuration.
Yep.
And they started squealing tires there, and they went all the way down through in front of Rick's place, which is a trucker that's through the corner of my property. You can see his house from here. And they were squealing tires all the way down into there. One woman had passed comment, I deliver for Pepsi. One of her, she passed comment that they come out to see what all the kerfuffle was about, and it was these guys squealing tires up and down the street. And they smoking tires and everything else.
Yep. Okay.
And that's not the first time it's happened. It's happened multiple times.
Okay.
And they get out here, they're on the side street as well.
Yeah.
But now, like I say, now that the pavement's gone, they haven't repaved yet, or there'd be fresh skid marks over there.
Sure. Do you remember what day this most recent one
I believe
was?
it was last Sunday. Or like a week ago Sunday
Yeah, okay.
is what it was.
Okay.
And they're, like I say, there were no issues about it. They were just out there squealing tires.
Yeah.
The trucks going through town, like the big grain trucks and stuff like that, were driving through town like other vehicles. I don't know if they had to stop at the edge of town for them or not when they got it started, but I know they'd stop. A couple of trucks would come through and they get right back at her.
Yeah.
What about the kids walking across the street?
No, there's someone that were walking across the road over there. I'm assuming they stopped for them or they got them across the road and then continued on.
Okay. You remember roughly what time of day this was?
Be noon shortly thereafter, I think.
Okay.
It's around noon because I was up. You'd already gone to work. You'd gone to work, so it'd be around noontime somewhere in there.
Okay. And roughly, do you know how long they kept her up?
I'd say a good half hour, 40 minutes.
Okay.
And that's nothing unusual for them.
No, you've seen this before?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's,
Fireworks, everything else.
well, they've had fires back here. They set up jumps on either side of a big fire pit, and they jump through
But
the flames.
unfortunately, that's in their backyard, right?
That's in their backyard, but
Yeah.
no. And then, like I say, if they do happen to film it, my house is on the net.
Yeah.
And that's, I really don't want that. I really don't like it.
Yeah.
But again, there's nothing I can do about it. They can't censor it to the road.
Yeah.
Oh, they could build a privacy fence. That would be nice.
Now, have you ever engaged those guys, spoken to them, or?
When I first moved in, I heard they were doing stuff, and we had an old freezer. You want it? come and get it.
Yeah.
No, we don't want that bad.
No, they wanted us to deliver.
Yeah, they wanted us to deliver it, and I says, okay, yeah, no. Other than that, I've had no interaction with them at all.
Okay.
I just assume stay away from them. That way, I stay out of trouble,
Sure.
because I don't need that.
Okay. And you mentioned sometimes people are on your street here too?
Yeah, they'll come over to watch them.
Okay.
They'll come over to watch, like I say, right through the fence, or they're parked on that side road there.
Mm-hmm.
The
And
fire line.
the fire road,
Yeah.
they'll park on that, or they'll park on this pavement over here, and they'll come over here squealing their tires, and that's somebody who's just come from wherever to watch it, and then they're over here
That
squealing
was
their
a
tires.
black Dodge straight Ram, because I
Yeah.
tried getting the plates, but
Yeah.
by the time I got out there, they were gone.
Yeah. Okay.
But not needed. And the one gentleman I did talk to, the one young fella, just said, okay, whatever, and away he went. Like there's no incident with him.
Right.
But we've had them up and down the street here a couple of times. But like I said, they're just watching it.
Mhm.
And
Yeah.
no, not needed.
Yeah.
Now he's got a drone
Okay.
and he's flying that thing around.
Uh-huh.
Now, is he just filming the park or
Everybody knew.
or everybody else?
Yeah.
And that's all on the net, I'm assuming.
I haven't seen any drone footage yet from him.
No.
He's got it.
We did have it Canada Day because
Yeah.
it was up and running,
Yeah.
and it was over the park.
Yeah.
Yeah, he
fireworks.
was filming the fireworks with the drone.
Yeah.
And I've seen the drone out while he's doing, while he's filming stuff.
Yeah.
Or while he's got stuff running around the backyard. I think it was loud. Friday night. They were out there working around on a little bike they'd made up. And one gentleman laid on a corner over here for about 20 minutes
Yeah.
trying to get his family jewels back where they belong.
Yeah.
Somebody's going to get hurt and or killed.
Mm-hmm.
And then maybe we can do something with them, but
Yeah.
right now, if they're in your yard, I don't think there's anything you can do.
Well, it's tricky when he's on his own property.
The only
yeah,
thing you
but-
can do is if there's a fire, you can charge them for the fire van.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
But out on the main streets, like out on the roads, and I do believe they're licensed vehicles that they're running,
Oh yeah, for them. Yeah.
that
Yeah.
they're streaming up and down the roads with. But like I say, with the kids that are running around this town, and there's some small ones, and they get off the bus on a regular basis, and they come right down here.
yeah, the little wee one in the board.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a couple of them, and then there's some more dads. I think they drop them off on
Three
the.
down on Dad's place.
Yeah, there's 3 down
Near
there
that.
too.
Yeah.
And they're not that old. I think the oldest is 12 maybe.
Yeah.
And they range, they get smaller as they go.
Yeah. And you mentioned some kids coming here, like to visit
they-
you or whatever.
Like
right?
these are the nieces and nephews
Oh, okay. Yeah.
coming here.
Grandkids.
Yeah.
Coming here, and I don't, like I say, you can't let them out in the front yard because of,
You don't know
Them
if he's going to
good.
be squealing the tires.
or
what time of day.
or what time of day it is, or if they're going to be screwing, or if they're going to lose control of a vehicle.
Yeah.
If they do lose control of a vehicle, then somebody's obviously going to be in trouble.
Yeah.
Probably me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What they've done, they were over in that construction zone. They actually had it filmed where the guys were actually drinking to the point where they were getting ill, and they were filming it.
Uh-huh.
This is 2 or 3 weeks ago. They
Yeah.
were doing
Well,
that.
just before I think my sister passed, and she's been gone a month.
Yeah, and they were over there just in the corner of the driveway. Now they brought it over there as opposed to on his property, because then it's off site.
Yeah.
But they were filming that as well.
Okay.
So,
Yeah. Let's drink till you puke. I'm too old for that shit anymore.
but they kept it up though. Like
Yeah.
they throw up and just they had the bottle with them,
Yeah.
and they just start drinking some more. Like, no, not in town. Go someplace else. Will you?
Yeah.
Like, take it inside. Out in the streets, the kids don't need to see this.
Yeah.
Like it's, well, yeah, I know it's a bad example for the kids, but like, like the kids that are doing it, like the adults that are doing it, what's their home life like? If they're doing that out here.
So last Sunday, then anything else you saw? Just
Well, they were smoking the tires pretty good,
yeah.
and I mean, like they're pretty much lighting them right up. Now, I think it was you telling me they were dumping oil on the floor or on the road
Yeah.
and smoking it that way. Like it's not needed.
No.
And the vehicles they're using, yeah, they're licensed vehicles, but there's no protective gear in the vehicle either.
No.
To what I could see, it's just some kid
Oh yeah.
put his seatbelt on, or I don't know who's even
Or
wearing
maybe
that at
not.
that point.
Yeah.
At that point, I don't think he was even wearing it, but it's, you're out on the main street, you're doing that to a vehicle, the vehicle's being pushed beyond its limit, and the risk of fire is there.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
And yeah, the fire department's right here, but yeah, okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. All right. And now you mentioned the guy who lives right over here might be good to talk to.
Yeah, he's right straight across from the trailer, like he's right in the corner of that building.
Okay.
Like right on the other side, like I say, before they ripped the pavement up and done all the piping and stuff, they were squealing the tires over there on a regular basis.
Well, Fred and Donna would have a bird's eye view too, if they're open at that point in time, the variety store.
Yeah, we did speak to them. We're not getting a whole lot
Yeah.
from them, but
Unfortunately, they've been broken into so many times too that they've got their livelihood to take care of.
yeah.
Yeah.
Anyone else in town that you think, or that has meant like you've
Dad's
spoken to?
heard it, but
Dad's
now
heard it.
Dad's 81 years old and lives in the next corner.
And
He's heard it, but
he can hear the squealing of the tires. He knows where it's coming from, but he can't see it from where he is.
Okay.
But it's a thing where like they've got to, something's got to be done before somebody gets hurt. Now it's trying to talk them into tone it down a bit, or
move away.
Yeah.
that would be my
I'll say
next
it.
statement. Like, well, in the country somewhere, not into a small town. Like, my understanding is they started out in Lucan, and he broke his back. Like, that was my understanding. He broke his back in Lucan. They moved to St. Thomas, and somehow St. Thomas got rid of him. I don't know how. I don't
Do they
know.
have a grow? Are they allowed? Did he say anything about being illegal?
He's on medical marijuana, is my understanding, because of his back. And you can smell that on a regular basis.
Yeah.
And it's worse than the smell of burning tires. That's just me.
Yeah.
But how St. Thomas got rid of him, I don't know.
Yeah.
I'd like to find out.
Yeah. No doubt.
I don't know what I'm doing. I'd help them move.
Yeah.
But I heard they were moving, and I went, yes. And they're not.
So far, rumor isn't true.
Yeah, so far they're staying.
I think it was because of the garage sale. We thought that maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They were selling off the bench.
Okay. Anything else about last Sunday that you want to add
No.
before I? Okay.
No, not really.
Okay.
That's pretty much it. But
All right. Well, I'll go ahead and stop that record. You got any questions, Robbie?
You have not seen any videos other than
no, I don't videotape anything. I don't want to be involved that way. No,
If he's like he knows how to take a picture on his phone.
You know, have in the last 2 weeks, have you watched any videos?
No.
no, I don't visit that site
Okay.
for that reason, because if you visit the site, he's making money.
Yes.
Then I would just assume not to.
Yeah.
Now, I've spoke to other drivers from different companies that have seen their videos. He says, I know you. I've seen you on the net. So I'm actually being filmed and put on the net while I'm out cutting my grass.
Yeah. Or walking in the door.
Or walking in the door or whatever.
Stricken.
because-
Oh, wait a minute. Sorry.
Well, that's back here. That's Rick was complaining about that.
Yeah.
But I don't need that on the net.
No.
I don't want my house on the net.
No. I hear.
But
We didn't know it was here when we moved either, or when we bought it, so.
Right.
yeah, we didn't realize that he was doing that.
Yeah. Fair enough.
Or I had to move someplace else. I had another shop.
Yeah.
I've got a really nice shop there, and if he's out, I've got to make sure my garage door is closed.
Yeah.
Because I don't want any. I got too many toys in there, and toys that can't be replaced. Like things my father built and stuff like that. But I don't want them being seen on the net and somebody saying, "Oh, hey, well they're not there,"
Take a visit.
Yeah. Fair enough.
and then I lose them.
You're okay, Snippers.
All right. I'm gonna go ahead and stop the recording. Now we're about 8 minutes past 4.